In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva design as a PDF file. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened lots of design on my PC. I can choose any of them for my purpose. For example, I choose this design. You can choose any other design, your own design as well, and don't matter. Once you have completed, for you can decide it for download. Then going on share, then click on download, then file type. Here you can select PDF standard as well. Then here the most things you can use also: compress PDF, match reading order to layers, password protection. Here the most important: if you set a password, nobody can open this file without you and without your password. But I don't need right now, then I can skip this option, then click on download. That's it. This file already downloaded through my PC. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.